Is your agency's project management a circus of missed deadlines and tangled communication? I'm about to show you how agencies are using Basecamp to transform chaos into a well-oiled machine. So let's dive right in. First up, project organization. Agencies create separate Basecamp projects for each client or major initiative within these projects. They utilize Basecamp's core tools to break down work. To-dos are perfect for assigning tasks with clear deadlines and owners, no more ambiguity about who's responsible for what. Communication is key, and Basecamp's message board keeps all client conversations centralized, preventing vital info from getting lost in endless email chains. Speaking of centralized, the file section ensures everyone has access to the latest versions of documents, contracts, and creative assets. No more version control nightmares. Agencies also leverage the Campfire feature for quick internal team chats. It's like a virtual water cooler, perfect for brainstorming and resolving minor issues instantly. Don't forget about the schedule. Agencies mark key milestones, deadlines, and client meetings to keep everyone on track. Visualizing timelines is crucial for successful project delivery. Basecamp also offers automatic check-ins to track the progress of your team members at your preferred time, ensuring project success. By implementing these strategies, agencies can streamline workflows, improve communication, and ultimately deliver exceptional results to their clients. That's how you can boost your agency's performance using Basecamp.